ride. The Kissing Tower stands 330 feet high from its base to the flagpole. Today our cabin will climb 250 feet into the air, making 3 rotations during the ride. Take in the views of Hershey, Pennsylvania, and listen to the story of how it came to be. Our founder, Milton S. Hershey, opened his chocolate factory in the middle of Derry Township in 1905. He chose this location due to the convenient access to fresh milk from local farms. Today, his factory town is known as Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. With Milton Hershey's support, houses, businesses, and entertainment came into existence, creating the town we know today. Let's take a closer look at some of the attractions inspired by our founder. Hersheypark was originally created as leisure grounds for the employees of Hershey's Chocolate Factory. Today, our family theme park has more than 70 attractions, including 15 coasters. Coming this summer, take a flavor ride on our newly reimagined coaster, Jolly Rancher Remix, and experience 6 inversions, sweet tunes, and a tunnel blasting with your favorite Jolly Rancher flavors. Then enjoy our newest family ride, Mixed, flavored by Jolly Rancher, a visual riddle that shifts into gear and mixes in lifts, drops, and new views while dodging the other riders. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Entry is included in your one-price admission when you enter through the bridge connecting Hersheypark and Zoo America. Beyond the park is the Hershey Gardens, home to the Milton and Catherine Hershey Conservatory. Visit today and flutter along with hundreds of tropical butterflies at the Butterfly Atrium, open year-round. You will also notice some of the signature Hershey icons, including the Hershey smokestacks, the Hershey cocoa bushes, located at the site of the original chocolate factory, and Hershey's Kisses-shaped street lamps throughout the town of Hershey. Across the street is the historic Hershey Theater. The theater was a part of Mr. Hershey's Great Building campaign to provide jobs during the Great Depression. He commissioned the construction of several grand structures, including Hersheypark Arena, Hersheypark Stadium, and the Hotel Hershey. Next to the Hotel Hershey is Catherine Hall, part of the Winston Hershey School. The Hershey Entertainment and Resorts and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the dream of our mutual founder, Milton S. Hershey, by providing value to Milton Hershey School, the largest home and school in the world, as it continues to provide opportunities for children in need. We hope you've enjoyed your elevated tour of Hershey. Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop, and then follow the instructions to exit the cabin. Thank you for riding the Kissing Tower. We hope you enjoy your time at Hersheypark.
They probably just couldn't get one window. I had to get a set of them.